I'm Sajor. Welcome to my epic channel, and today you'll be seeing me travel to amazing places like Singapore Airport and also Singapore. So I'm at the lounge now for the airport on the trip to Singapore and also Malaysia. I'm here early in the morning, so they were serving breakfast. Let's see what they are serving today, as every time I come here, they serve different foods. And I just got myself for breakfast a croissant. And also with this, you should just dip it inside baked beans. And when you get the sauce, it's real good. It's real good. Yeah. They have a tea and coffee station and cold drink fridge and lots of drinks. Oh, they have a pancake machine. This is new, but it wasn't here last time I was here. That's amazing. This is a weird tea. These chairs have amazing view of the airplanes, but it's always taken. But today, it's free! Such a treat. I love this swivel chair. It's really relaxing. So this is the American Express line that I just went to, and now we're leaving. So, we're out of the airport, taking a bus. Guys, look how hard these people work. Wow. It's all sunny out here. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Yes. Look at this. It's so cool. Look at this. So cool. This is lit. Yeah, well, good thing we're going to Singapore, guys, and also Malaysia too.
How are you? The school holidays?
Yeah.
Of course. How old are you? 25?
Yeah. I'm 27.
Hey, listen, I'm the funny guy, right? 23 DD. Thank you. Nice and close.
With the airplane. Alright, you guys. I just ordered some dumplings. It has all of it. It's pretty hot right now. I'll eat it later. So we've been waiting. Now it's time to eat. I'll pick this one first. Ah. Still hot. Oh, it's so good. Qantas food. It's like the best. Alrighty, so we're out of the plane. Pretty smooth and so long, and I'm not lying. I'm excited about the Jewel in Singapore Airport. I've heard so much about it. I can't wait to see the water fountain. Look at this. This is sick. Alright. It's the biggest fountain, but not like a mountain one. It's like the biggest one created. Biggest fountain indoors. And also we've got all the other ones, you know? There's so much leaves. I feel like I'm in the forest. I had to scream over this because it's so loud. All I can hear is shh. Like it's telling me to be quiet. So I'm kind of getting offended a little. I was craving this place 7 hours ago. Oh my god, this is so cool. Alright, so we went higher. Oh my god. This place is so cool. So I want to show you one thing, and that's the thing, I don't feel like I'm in the actual place. Alright, so look. Oh my god. We're going downstairs. See what the view is down there, because why not? People are so nice here. You know? I feel like treated so well. Oh, this place is gonna cost you a fortune. This would have taken lots of time. This beautiful fountain. Let's go touch that glass fountain. What does it feel like? Nothing. It feels so smooth. I can't even hear it. I know. They're just saying it's glass. Oh yeah. Wow. I would be scared if there was a shark. And I'd be like, ee, and then it just comes behind me. It's like, hey, what you little boss doing down here? My mum's friend, Auntie Jiatien, kindly picked us up with her car and told us she would take us somewhere local to eat. I love looking out of the window right after I land because it's so different to Australia and it hits me like I'm in another country. This is right next to the airport where the COCKLES Centre is. Auntie Jiatien is taking us. I've never seen so many shipping cargoes in one place before. It's a pretty big hawker centre. There are so many restaurants and so many different kinds of food. It's a very local place. Not many tourists come here. You can get grilled fish, barbecue chicken, veggies, oysters, noodle dish, rice dish. There are huge choices. Feeling quite spoiled. These are red cockles. I've never seen them before, but you need a bit of technique to open these. Maybe this way.
Oh wow! And then you can pick it out using this. Okay, thanks. Thank you.
It's like a tongue. Cause why not?
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I wish the red cockles came open like this. These are durians.
Hello.
The shop specializes in selling durians, but they also sell other fruits too. It's my first time to see so many durians in one place. It's really spiky. Mom loves it, but I don't. So I'm having pink dragon fruit ice cream. Auntie Jiatien is getting 2 different kinds of durians to eat at home.
Oh, that looks nice. Wow, 谢谢谢谢.
Ah!
Oh yeah.
What am I going to do? This is delicious.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's so good. This nice shop owner, he took a photo of me. Now I'm on his shop's Facebook page. It's amazing. I messed my shirt by eating dragon fruit ice cream. And it went all the way down. Actually, don't.
You can try.
Ew.
Missing out.
What do you mean missing out? Okay, so we're just gonna watch it eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and do not forget to hit that like button. And also comment down below. Until we see each other again, have an epic day!